Just completing the array of the segment that we did in the previous video for the saw blade. So selecting array, the object on the side, it's gone into a rectangular array. We'll undo that. Rectangular array, it's gone straight to a rectangular array. Amazing how you get used to the new interface. I think I'll swap to the drafting and annotation interface. And on this one we have a polar array. That's what we want. Select the objects, select the base point. The number of items will be 20, and it's through 360 degrees, and there it is, all done. There's a few more bits to do which we don't need to worry about. Another couple of circles and cutting this piece out and putting it on the side, but that's basically the procedure. And make sure you clean up everything before you do the array so that there's no tidying up to do afterwards.